Hey everybody, out for a couple hours for a quick hunt, mainly targeting ruffed grouse, but also waterfowl and migratory birds. Stick around for this week's outdoor adventure. Hi, my name is Dan and welcome to DC Outdoors. If this is your first time here and you like outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, please get started by hitting that like, subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Well, let's get hunting. Alright guys, like I said, September 13, 2024, I'm out here with the Snack Squad and we're targeting birds. The rookie, Little H, he's out looking for ruffed grouse, and my older son is looking for waterfowl, migratory birds. So we're keeping our fingers crossed. So hiking into a little property, we'll walk along some of the ponds and creeks that run along here, and also there's some good cover in the back where we'll keep our eyes open for ruffed grouse. So looking for birds, and yeah, wish us luck. It's a calm night. It's probably like around 20 degrees Celsius, and about 6:30. Sundown's around 8, so we can hunt until half an hour after sundown, so we have about 2 hours to go. So yeah, wish us luck. There's still like 3 in there. Well, we saw some ducks, guys, right walking along the creek. Unfortunately, it's amateur hour out here when it comes to migratory birds, and they were in the creek, and obviously we don't want to shoot them when they're just floating around in the creek, so kind of walked along it to just try to kick them out. But unfortunately, we sort of pushed them across the creek onto the other side of the property that we can't really hunt, and weren't about to take that shot, because if we did, you know, one, we don't have permission there, but two, even if you did, it's on the other side of the creek, so good luck trying to recover it, right? But that's how it goes. So we're back to walking the field edge. Hopefully the rookie can find a ruffed grouse here soon. We got about an hour left to go. Nice evening though, I'll tell you that much. So a little bit disappointing turn of events. We've seen a few cameras, a few trail cameras out here on this piece of land, and I was starting to get optimistic that this might be a place for us to come hunting, but seeing 3 cameras out here tells me that someone else, or a few other people maybe, are also interested in learning about this property. But so I guess, yeah, I waved at all 3 cameras, so if you're a DC Outdoors viewer and you saw me waving at your camera, send me a DM, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. It means that there's a little bit of hunting pressure out here, but it doesn't really impact us when we're just looking for birds. I'm sure it's probably somebody scouting for rifle season would be my guess. We've got 3 head of deer and a bunch of geese. Good eyes, kid. And there's one looking right at us. The one on the right might be a buck.
Yeah, so I saw that.
Bit of a deer bedding area. There's some poop. And then over here, there's a bed. And over there's a bed. So I wonder if maybe that's where the doe... Oh, I think there's a bed over there too. Right there. Maybe that's where the doe and fawns are sleeping. Wrong side of the fence, eh? It's almost sundown, as you guys can see. She's getting a bit dark. We saw a couple does and a couple fawns. Bunch of geese. Oh, look. Deer. They look bigger. The one on the right is a buck. There might be a few bucks in there. I think the one on the right's a buck. Just the one standing there left? Hmm? Oh, there it goes. Alright everybody, well I think it's time to say goodbye, wrap this one up. If you made it to the end here, as always I appreciate you watching. Unfortunately we didn't harvest any birds today folks, but we saw a lot of game and got to see some ducks and saw some geese and some white-tailed deer. All that makes the evening fun and not bad for a couple of hours. So yeah, if you made it along with us to this point, thank you guys. You know, obviously YouTube algorithm likes it when people stick with the channel, so I appreciate those of you that, you know, do let it run all the way to the end. And yeah, for everybody else that's just cruising by the channel, you know, whether you spend a minute or 10 minutes, I always appreciate it. But I'll end this one as I always do. If this was your first time here and you like outdoor adventure videos, gear reviews, and other outdoor related stuff, well please hit that like, subscribe, and the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Until next time, we'll see you outdoors.